Let life be an offering. Let our lives be utilized to enrich and fulfill the lives of our fellow men. There is God in each of us, including the poorest of the poor. Inspired by the lives and teachings of Swami Vivekananda, Mahatma Gandhi and Sri Ramakrishna, a group of friends having returned from USA after education and training resolved to devote their lives to the service of the poor and the underprivileged. The original group was soon joined by several young friends, similarly dedicated and determined. Mission of the organization: reaching out and assist the poor and deprived through various programs, value-based work, and self-development of all involved in work. A lamp was lit with the objectives of upgradation of rural healthcare, enhancement of socio-economic standard, and people's self-reliance by initiating of Seva Rural. Jhagadia and surrounding area of Bharuch district being rural, tribal and poor were chosen as the base for these activities. Seva Rural was also hopeful of receiving support from the nearby industrial estate at Ankleshwar for economic programs. The river Narmada close by was a source of inspiration for this uphill task. The work in Jhagadia naturally began with health. As a gesture of help and confidence, a maternity home run by a local trust, Kasturba Medical Aid Society, was handed over to the Seva Rural on 26th of October 1980. It was then transformed into a full-fledged general hospital. Presently, the 75 beds hospital offers round-the-clock emergency services, special care for women and children, and people with eye diseases. Separate clinics for tuberculosis, diabetes, and infertility. These services are strongly supported by a well-equipped modern laboratory, X-ray and sonography units, along with operation theatres and a blood bank. Medicines are available in hospital campus at a low cost without compromising the quality. A well-stocked library offers reference facilities for doctors who keep their knowledge updated through regular academic meetings. Medical students and interns from India and abroad come to this hospital for regular orientation training. Moreover, opportunities are available to youngsters for various kinds of training in India and abroad. Thus, rural society and patients of interior areas are not deprived of benefits of modern science and its know-how. A glance at the achievements of the hospital after completing more than 2 decades reveals that people of the 1500 surrounding interior villages take advantage of the hospital. About 250 patients from these villages receive medical treatment daily in OPD. Every year, about 7,000 operations are carried out. In recognition and appreciation of the excellent management of this rural hospital, the Bajaj Group of Industries and the Bombay Management Association bestowed a national award on the hospital in 1989. A medical committee has been formed for guidance and management of the hospital. Local representatives are included in this committee to obtain their specific suggestions and to respond to difficulties of the community. About Rs 80 lakhs are being spent for hospital services per annum. Of this, about 50% is met from government grants. Expenditure of 2/3 of the patients is borne by Seva Rural and only 25% expenditure is met by patients who can afford it. Hence, for meeting the deficit of about rupees 10 lakh, a donation appeal is constantly made. Every year, the deficit of income is met by the cooperation and support of benevolent Leelavati R. Shah Medical Relief and Asha Zaveri Foundation Trusts, both from Mumbai. That was about the work within the four walls of the hospital. However, this was not the ultimate goal. It was soon realized that due to a number of complex social and cultural factors, the hospital remains inaccessible to the vast majority, very often until it is too late. A baseline survey of the surrounding villages in the year 1982 revealed the gross neglect of health services. Children often suffer from measles, diarrhea and malnutrition, and high incidence of anemia, malaria and tuberculosis, beside an apathy towards women's health. As a result, there is a high mortality rate among the women and children. Many of these deaths are related to diseases which are unfortunately preventable. Now that the backing of the hospital was ready, why wait to reach out to the people in the villages? As a result, Project of Healthcare at Doorsteps was begun in 10 villages in 1982. It expanded to 40 villages, and Jhagadia PHC was managed for more than 15 years. This happened for the first time in the country. The targets of Health for All by 2000 were achieved by Seva Rural much before the expected time due to new approaches and innovations. It included reduction in infant mortality rate and birth rate, and substantial increase in coverage of maternal care and vaccination. After the return of PHC to government in the year 2000, first referral unit project was granted by the Gujarat government and UNICEF to reduce the maternal and newborn mortality in the entire Jhagadia block. Under this project, plans were made to study as well as find proper remedies through various measures of the causes of deaths and diseases among newborn babies. Traditional birth attendants and other village level locals and link workers are making special contributions to this project. Financial assistance of the US-based MacArthur Foundation is available for this work. Systematic evaluation about conclusions and experiences of Community Health Project was done by two external agencies. Seva Rural is particularly happy that new approaches related to primary healthcare have been accepted by other voluntary organizations and the government setup. The World Health Organization conferred the Sasakawa Award to Seva Rural for its innovative rural healthcare work in 1985. The unique comprehensive eye program, which encompasses all components of eye care, prevention, promotion, cure and rehabilitation, was born out of the need of the community, and young friends, well versed in eye care, were drawn to the ideals of Seva Rural. The programs include modern treatment of eye diseases by advanced equipments in hospital as well as in Netra Raksha Kendra for the tertiary eye care. Arrangements have been made for operations by microsurgery like keratoplasty and intraocular lens placement for cataract.